Hi, my next topic of this contemporary architecture is the mainstream of architecture by the Charles Correa architect and his work of Kanchenjunga apartment. First, I will discuss the introductions of Charles Correa. Charles Correa was born on 1st September 1913 in Hyderabad and principles the design as a child. The Charles Correa, the Indian architect, urban developer, planner, international lecturer, traveler, and activist. He was completed his study in University of Michigan and Massachusetts Institute of Technology, MIT, 1953. The various award he was awarded in various award: Riva Royal Gold Medal Award, Padma Vibhushan and Padma Shri, Premium Imperial Aga Khan Award of Architecture of Madhya Pradesh, Australian Decorations of Science and Art. The philosophy of the Charles Correa is the design approach in his understanding of the unique cultural requirement and need of the native country. Basic philosophy in planning of a building: an architect has tried to give the long corridor and wide arches and provide the various shaded and ventilation. His art, like as the typical Indian contemporary architecture, he successfully expressed his philosophy and combined with the regional traditional with modern environment. The building of Korea are response of the environment, specially to the Indian climate. So it's great open to sky space reverse theme in his architectural building. My next topic is the work of Charles Correa is first apartment building in Bombay in India is Kanchenjunga apartment. The plan show and the Google Map show the top view of the Kanchenjunga apartment elevations and plan. Introduction: the project of Kanchenjunga apartment started 1970, completion period 1974, and the structure type is high-rise building. The locations of India, Mumbai, Kumbhalia Hill, height of 84 meter, number of floor 27. The slide is show the various type of plan of A, B, C category of the flat. Plan and sections of Kanchenjunga apartment. Here is the section is show the terrace garden, bedroom, living room, study room, and type D also show the various terrace garden. Each of every flat have the separate terrace garden, living space, balcony, and master bedroom, internal stair which is provided for the upper floor, and the plan was like the duplex pattern. Now I will discuss the infrastructure of this building. The building has to be oriented the east and west to catch the sea breeze and to open up to the best view of the city. Unfortunately, these are also the directions of the hot sun and heavy monsoon rain. So, the old bungalow solved this problem by wrapping a protective layer of veranda around the main living area, thus providing the occupant with two lines of defense against this type of elements like heavy rain and the hot sun. From the interlock of two different apartments, the typology variety from the 3 to 6 bedroom each. There is the elevation show the bridge, harbors, hot is sun, monsoon, Arabian Sea bridge, monsoon bridge, hot in the west side and bridge, and the section given the various type of flow of lighting and monsoon air. The smaller displacement of the level were the critical in this work, and there is a differentiated between the external earth fill trans and internal elevated living volume. This stubble shift enabled Korea to effectively shielded the high-rise unit from the effect of the both sun and monsoon rain. It was largely achieved by providing the lower the tower and the relatively deep garden veranda suspended in the air. Superficially, this 28-story tower With its concrete construction and large area of white panel bears a strong resemblance and the modern apartment building in the West Tower. Proportion 21 square meter and 84 meter in height. The terrace garden actually in the modern interpretations of the features of traditional Indian bungalow and baranda. So the Korea was tried to give each apartment a one terrace and one bungalow. Each apartment provided the deep two-story high garden terrace and oriented away from the sun, so as to afford the protections from the element. But also the orientations of hot sun and heavy rain, the solution of wrapping a protective layer of veranda around the main living area. Kanchenjunga apartment is an attempt to apply this principle to the high-rise building. It is minimalize the surface carveway to open up the double height terrace garden at the corner. In the slide show the picture. The building has 32 different apartments, 4 type of land and varying up to 3 to 6 bedroom. The balcony was show the interlocking variation expressed extremely by the shear wall and the hold up the cantilever portion. Again this slide I will analyze the plan. The building has been planned in east and west orientation. So west side of the building has sea and east side have the view of the city, which play the dynamic role from the building. But orientation towards the hot and the heavy rain, it can be rotated. That may be given a positive value. It is also fine because the veranda giving the covering cool bridge and giving the comfort of the living. Also building have the good access to daylight and the bridge through the terrace garden, and the entire building have the 4 different type of houses, that is for the variation express the external by shear wall and hold up the cantilever veranda. The surface cut away open up and double height terrace garden at the corner of the nice idea. Aesthetics. Aesthetics part of this building is point of view and the nice because this is the compositions of only the square and rectangular form using the basic design principles. The high rise view end of the 4 sides corner by the veranda, which is also giving the good look with the comfort. The constructions of the building is made of the reinforced concrete and height and 7-story building with concrete structure, 6.3 meter cantilever beam used as a part of material. Brick machinery has also been used. Thanks.